In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input DNS settings using Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your dashboard to view and manage the DNS details for your domain with confidence. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your domains. Hover over the specific domain you want to work with. Taking a moment here to double check you've selected the correct domain can save you trouble later, especially if you manage multiple sites. Next, look for the three dots associated with that domain. Click those to open the Quick Actions menu. From there, click Configure DNS. This takes you directly to the DNS management area for the domain you chose. On this page, you'll see the complete list of DNS records currently configured for your domain. Think of this as a directory that tells the internet where different services for your domain live. You'll typically notice records like A and T for EA for pointing your root domain to an IP address, CNAME for mapping subdomains, MX for mail routing, and TXT for verification or security settings. Cloudflare presents these in a clear table so you can review what's already set up before making any adjustments. Cloudflare provides an entire suite of DNS management tools here. You'll find options to filter and search through your records so you can quickly locate exactly what you need, which is especially helpful for large or older configurations. Use filters thoughtfully to narrow by record type or name and confirm you're viewing the right entries before changing anything. This section is also where you can alter DNS parameters. If your provider has given you updated details, this is the place to align your records with those values. Take care to match host names, record types, and any required content precisely. If you're updating settings related to email or verification, make sure the formatting and any keys or tokens are copied accurately. For performance and security, you may also see options that relate to Cloudflare's proxy and caching features. Review these choices in the context of your application's needs. You'll also find name server information associated with your domain. If you're moving DNS to Cloudflare, those name servers identify Cloudflare as the authority for your domain's DNS. Keep them handy if you need to reference them with your domain registrar. Before wrapping up, a few tips. Confirm values with your hosting or email provider. Document changes so you can roll back if needed. And remember that DNS updates can take time to propagate. With these steps and considerations, you'll be able to input and manage your DNS settings in Cloudflare smoothly and confidently.